What's up, guys? Today I'm going to talk about how to grind a ledge for absolute beginners. So first off, you're going to want to find a tiny small ledge like this one we've got right here. This is a really good example of a ledge that hasn't been skated. So the top stair here is not as skatable, it's not waxed, but also it's not grinded down. This one, you can feel that it's rounded and it's smooth because people have skated it. People have grinded this with scooters and stuff like that, and they've really grinded it down. This one comes to a hard edge and it's really rough and it's chunky. The one that's been skated more is actually well preserved. It's the coating of wax and the rounded edge actually is less prone to chip than the ledge that is completely rough. So when you're looking for a ledge to skate, you want to find a ledge that has been waxed and skated a lot, one that's going to grind really well, as opposed to one that you're going to have to really push through. If I was to try to grind all the way across this, I would have to go so fast and push through it. It might not even be possible. If you can't find a ledge like that, you can make a ledge like that look like this by sanding it down, waxing it, or just trying to grind it for a long time. But it's going to take a while to get a ledge that looks like that to look like this. If you've been skating for a while, then a ramp actually makes it easier to get up on the ledge. But if you're not comfortable with that, just find a lower ledge. So the first trick I would do on a ledge is actually probably a nose slide. Let me actually show this regular footed this time. I know I do all my tutorials goofy footed, but for the nose slide, since I'm on this side, I'm gonna show you regular footed. So you're gonna come at a slight angle. So at first, you wanna just get comfortable getting into a nose stall. So you can come straight at the ledge, pop a little ollie, or just do a little manual. So a little quick nose slide is the easiest grind or slide to do on a ledge. So before you learn how to do the nose slide, you want to learn how to get into just a nose stall. So just come towards the ledge, pop, land on your front foot on the nose, just balance on there for a second, and then just kind of learn to fall off. After a while, you can learn to kind of pop out of it, but that's going to take a little bit of time. So find a low ledge that you're going to be comfortable doing this on. After that, you can try to slide them as long as it's waxed like this, come at an angle, and just do the same thing, but prepare for the board to be sliding. So you don't want to be leaning too far back so you'll slide back and fall. You want to be kind of over your board. You kind of have your weight up over the board and not all the way back. And really, because if it's waxed, it just depends on how slick the ledge is. If it's waxed a lot, you could slide out. If it's not waxed at all, you could fall forward. So yeah, it just depends. You got to kind of feel it out and go slow. After that, I'm going to show this regular footed too. A little board slide on a ledge could be easier than getting into a 50-50 because you don't have to ollie as much. You just kind of lift the board up or pop a half 180, land on the ledge, and turn off of it. With this, you're probably not going to slide out unless it's a really slick skate park ledge. So you kind of have to really push through these normally because when your wheels touch, they're really sticky and they have a hard time sliding. So with these, I kind of have to lean back and push through them. But at first, it's a good one to kind of just play around with at first. Just ollieing on, turning off. Ollieing on, turning off. Get comfortable with that. Then slide it a little bit. After that, we're gonna go into an actual 50-50. The 50-50, you're gonna come at an angle towards the ledge. I'm showing this goofy footed, the way I normally skate. I could do these regular footed, but not really well. So I'm coming at it at an angle, but my weight is leaning up over the ledge. So when I ollie, I'm actually gonna move forward and my weight's gonna go on top of the ledge. You wanna lock in with your heel side wheel all the way up there. If you lock in with your toe side wheel, very unstable. So lock in all the way up there. And with these, you can kind of learn to just stall them at first too. You can just stand right next to the ledge and just stall them and come off. Over time, this is probably the easiest grind to actually hold for a long period of time. So that's how I would approach learning how to skate a ledge. I would learn how to stall in a no stall and a board slide stall first. Then I would work on 50-50s for a little while. After I've got really good at 50-50s on a small ledge, I would perfect the board slide and the no slide. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.